Hi, here is the Nikon TW2D overall conditions. So here is the battery compartment. We use a small coin or something to open it, twist it like this. Okay, and it using one CRP2 battery. We just put it inside and push it in, make sure it's fit, and then only we twist it back to the lock. Okay, that means okay already. And here is the on-off button. Then next step, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then we put the film in. We need to slide into it to make sure that the film motor is fit into the canister, the center part of the canister. Okay, after that push the top in and put the film tip to here. Okay, here actually got a red indicator showing you like where you want to put that lah. Okay, you just close it. Before we close, make sure your film is flat like this, then just close it. Yeah, it will load. Okay, so here's show figure 1. Now you can start shooting already. If you didn't load it well, it won't show figure 1. Yeah, right, open it. Then here is the shutter, here is the viewfinder. Okay, at the center part of the viewfinder got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus, then half press. Okay, if it's blinking, which means that the current situation is not allowed, yeah, when it doesn't blink, which means that it's okay, then you just click it. Yeah, then yeah, when it doesn't have the red light, which means that it won't trigger the flash, because this camera is auto flash, so it will auto sense the environment whether it need flash or not. And here is the tele lens. When you click it, it will switch to the tele lens. It will be like zoom in, zoom out lah. Like that. Okay, also same, half press, then shoot it. If you don't want, yeah, like that. Then this camera come with the soft filter, so if you want the soft filter, twist it when you shoot. Yeah, like that. Then here is the flash setting. Now it's auto, while you can turn it to like off flash or on all the way. Well, I recommend you just put it at fully auto will do lah. Then this one is the timer. Okay, half press and press it, then we auto start counting like 10 seconds like that. Yeah, so we just wait for it. Okay, then another side is this one is continuous shooting. Yeah, so we just half press it. If you didn't release the shutter, it will keep shooting. Like that means it's auto mode. So for this camera, here is the indicator. So sometimes it has here the film show 24 exposure, while sometimes you can get more than that lah. You just shoot until it auto rewind will do. Yeah. So sometimes you can shoot more than that lah. You don't need like rewind manually. You just shoot until it rewind, until the sound is stopped, then only you open the back cover, take out the film. If not, inside the film, don't open the back cover. If not, the outcome will be exposed to the light and we're all gone. Yeah. And if you didn't use it, off it. So overall it's like this. Hope you enjoyed.